What's going on? My number one boss corner here from ElevenfitTV, day number 4 of Glute Clinic. Remember to stick with it, guys. I know right now the quads are burning. The glute is really feeling because of all of the load that you've been putting on it. It's really feeling the pressure, but stick with it, guys. 7 days, and I'm telling you, you're going to start to see amazing results. Okay, without further ado, we're going to jump into day number 4, and the first exercise that we're going to do is the glute bridge hold for 1 minute. Let's jump into it. Glute bridge hold, 1 minute. Remember, guys, we are putting our legs together here, knees together, and then the ankles are very close. And then we're going for 1 minute for our glute bridge hold. Remember to squeeze at the top, guys, really hard. Here we go. 1 minute. And squeeze. Well done, guys. Good job to everyone that have been really sticking with this. All right. I know right now feels a bit painful from those delayed onset muscle soreness, right? But I promise you it will be worth it in the end, guys. Consistency is key, as we always say. Keep going. Really squeeze, guys. Really feel that squeeze at the top. That's where the magic happens. And we're holding. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Nice. Almost there now. Really squeeze. Keep squeezing, and that is time. Well done. And release. Okay, exercise number 2. We're going for some squat holds. The squat hold, we're going for 30 seconds, right? What I want you to do for the squat hold, right? I want you to legs shoulder width apart, and I want you to do the squat, and I want you to lean slightly forward, right? That will give you a nice recruitment of those maximus. Okay, so 30 seconds, squat hold, slightly lean forward. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, squat hold, and we're leaning forward. Feel those glute muscles come to the fore as you do that lean, right? Really feel that. That's where the magic happens. Keep going. Well done, guys. Really feel that lean. Feel it in those glutes. And that is time. Well done, guys. Okay, so from here, we're going to do 30 seconds off single leg wall sit. Okay, so you can use a surface. I'm just going to use the back of my couch here, and I'm going to do a wall sit, and I'm going to just extend one leg out. Really feel it in those glutes. Okay, here we go. So here we are, single leg, 30 seconds. Nice, back nice and straight. 30 seconds on the watch. Here we go. This, you will feel it on the quads as well, right? Really feel it. You'll feel those glute muscles engage, keeping you up. The quads are really burning as well, right? Nice. Get going. Get going. And time. Nicely done, guys. Then we're going to do 30 seconds on the right side as well. Here we go. So find your surface, and we're going to sit for that 30 seconds. Here we go. Time. Back nice and tall. Well done. Quads are burning, but keep it going. High chest. Breathe normally. No, it burns. Don't give up, guys. Nice. Quads and the glutes are really being recruited here. And that is time. Okay, nicely done. Okay, so from here, guys, we are going to go into sideline leg raise. Okay, so I'm going to go on the side and we're going to do those line leg raises. We're going to go for 30 seconds. Okay, so remember the last one we did on our knee? Remember, you can do that, then raise, but this time we're actually going to go all the way up. Here we go. 30 seconds on and raise. Nice. Abs nice and contracted. Feeling those minimus glute muscles really working here, or that outer part of the butt. That's what's bringing us through here, and that is time. Nicely done, guys. The other side, 30 seconds. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Lift. Nice. Don't have to rush this, guys. Really feel the glutes lifting, doing that work. Quads are nice, tight. That outer part of the butt doing the work to lift that leg. Even the lower leg and the glutes are feeling this. Nicely done, that's time. Okay, well done, guys. So from here, what we're going to go for is 30 seconds of glute kickback and hold, right? So we're going to kick back and we're going to hold at the top. Remember, guys, we want our legs pointing up, right? And then we're just going to push that heel up into the sky. We're going to come back. We don't want to bring it too low where all the tension is gone, right? Push up. We don't want the back to be rounded. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Up. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Down. Push. 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 We're not releasing that tension, guys. 2, 3. Down. Push. 1, 2, 3. Down. Push. 1, 2, 3. And that is time. We're going to do the next side. Here we go. And up. 2, 3. Down. Push. 1, 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 2, 3. Well done, guys. Down. Push. 1, 2, 3. Down. Push. 1, 2, 3. Down. Push. 1, 2, 3. And that is time right there. Okay, so for the bonus, guys, we're going to finish off 30 seconds of squat, not squat, glute bridge pulses. Okay, so let's do that and then we finish off. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1, and pause, pause, pause. 2, 3. Really squeeze, guys. That's the magic. Have to squeeze every time. And that, guys, is time. Well done. That there, guys, is day number 4 on that booty clinic. Until next time, remember to like, Remember to subscribe. Remember to share it with a friend. Hit the notification bell. We'd really appreciate it. Until I see you again, walk with 11fit. Love only. I know that you're tired, but I'm asking you to do me one favor. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Come on, you got this. I know you can do it. Keep going.